I'm Florina Parulekar, Khargar. I saw Master Alexander Gabriel miracle and instantly bringing smiles to all the neurological patients. So that impressed me. So now zoo is going zoom, zoo and magic. Thank you.
Rafika Surti from Baroda, Gujarat, and I had attended this unique Dr. Zoo's neuroscalp acupuncture class, and it is amazing the kind of results that we have seen, and we have done treatments on n number of patients. The last 2 days, thorough training and good solid homework done with this, and we have done thoroughly. And I'm so happy that I've learned this. I think everyone should not miss this class. Whoever wants to learn should always learn more and more. Thank you.
My name is Jitendra Pal Bhonga. I am from Mumbai. सर ने जो जू स्कल्प एक्यूपेंचर का हमें ट्रेनिंग दिया वो एक्सीलेंट ट्रेनिंग था. हमें प्रैक्टिकल बहुत अच्छा करवाया सर ने और एक्सप्लेन भी बहुत अच्छे से किया. निडलिंग लगाने की जो टेक्निक थी वो भी बहुत अच्छे से हमें बताई. तो हमें ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मतलब हमें सीखने में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. हमने बहुत अच्छे से सीखी. डेज़ के क्लास में हमें इतना उन्होंने अच्छे से सिखाया कि वी कांट एक्सप्लेन.
Hey everyone, I am Shruti Das and I'm a final year BNY student. This is a 3-day workshop and I came here with a lot of curiosity, and I can say definitely that I will walk out with a lot of confidence and clarity. This is not about just inserting needles onto your scalp. It is about practicality, about neuro rehab, and about how to connect with the patient and how to get immediate results. Now here's the thing which I found very magical and very interesting is that I saw results. People started moving, people started walking. They were very enthusiastic. They started running all of a sudden. They were very happy, they were dancing, they were singing. That is what shook me from inside. And I would say that the people must come here and join this workshop, not for just practical knowledge, just to see magic.
My name is Savit Prabha Jain. I am from Mumbai. It was excellent experience. It's beyond words. You can't express in words. It was such an excellent workshop with an excellent practical experience, which is very rare given by anyone. And this experience was so good that we can never forget the practical things which we have done over here, and the miracle results we have found over here on the patients, number of patients we have seen, and number of excellent and unbelievable results we have seen in the many kinds of neuro patients. It is too good, and the Gabriel sir has given tons of knowledge in 3 days. Excellent. Thank you, sir.
I'm Dr. Deepa Vora. I have come from Bangalore for the Zoo Scalp Acupuncture workshop. It was a 3-day workshop, and I would say that in spite of not having any background in acupuncture, I could still learn a lot of things, and it was a miracle experience where we saw people getting better in just one session of treatment, where they could start walking, they were starting to talk in spite of not having done that for quite a couple of years. And it was a magical experience. The way the practicals were held, I would say that in spite of not having any experience, I'm still very confident on working with the clients. So thank you, Gabriel sir. Thank you so much for this magical experience.
Myself, Amit Waghela. I am on the way from Rajkot, Gujarat. And I want to convey a message to physio community that you must learn this technique. Those who are working in neuro rehab, especially in chronic cases like stroke patient, Parkinson patient, you must learn this and practice it. It will helpful in your practice. Even you will get very magical result in chronic patient. So I want to thanks Master Gabriel sir.
Myself, Dr. Jayanta Gogoi. I am a physiotherapist working in a neuro rehab, usually in a wellness center. It's a great experience coming here. Sir has given more of practical knowledge from sitting to getting up, and from wheelchair to standing, and from lying down on the bed to standing and walking. We have come here and saw so many miracles. First miracle was the yesterday patient who came. He was not able to, he has dysphagia, not able to eat, he has cough, So with one session of therapy, he has got lots of results. After the session, he was able to eat and he is able to walk independently without support. Today we saw many miracles of Parkinson's patient. I think everyone has noticed. I think the person here who was not able to walk for so many years, and suddenly after one session he is able to walk. He is excited. He is dancing. He was singing. He was more euphoric and he was feeling good inside, which is more important. And for everyone, I think it is a great opportunity to learn. And all the people should, whether physio, I'll ask all the physios to come and learn, which will help them for the neuro rehab. They have more, they can treat more patients, neo patients.
नमस्कार। जो स्काल्प एक्यूपंक्चर पढ़ा है, वाईएनएस वगैरह बहुत पढ़ा है, लेकिन ये न्यूरो स्काल्प एक्यूपंक्चर ये अलग ही टेक्निक है। और जब मैं यहाँ सीखने को आया 3 दिन के क्लास में, तो इतने भयानक रिज़ल्ट देखे कि आज तक मैंने ज़िंदगी में वो इतने रिज़ल्ट नहीं देखे। और पार्किंसन इज़ इम्पॉसिबल ट्रीटमेंट, पर इतने शानदार तरीके से सर ने उनको ट्रीट किया और प्रैक्टिकल सेशन में इतना बताया कि वो लोग 13 साल 10 साल से हिलते फिरते नहीं थे, बोलते नहीं थे, निगलने के भी मुश्किल थी, लेकिन फर्स्ट ट्रीटमेंट में इतना उनको फ़र्क आया। वो डांसिंग करने लगे, हंसने लगे, दौड़ने लगे, और इतने ऐसा मिरेकल रिजल्ट्स कोई थेरेपी में नहीं। ऐसा सेशन जो इंडिया में पढ़ाया भी नहीं जाता, वो इंडिया में उन्होंने लाके फर्स्ट टाइम बॉम्बे में अरेंज किया, सबको नॉलेज दी।
I am myself Dr. Mohammad Salim Momin from Bhiwandi. I am a general practitioner. I have attended the very marvelous and very scientific based and result oriented course who explained very well and teaching us and doing practically how to deal with such a cases in this field of neuroscalp acupuncture. Well done, sir. You are very well done. Well done. You taught us very well. It is very unexpected for me. I never imagined that such things are there. I find you to be very useful for the human and mankind.
नमस्ते, मैं प्राजक्ता देशमुख मुंबई से हूँ। व्हील चेयर से चलने तक ऐसे गैब्रियल सर के फेसबुक में मैंने ये देखा, ऐड देखा, तो मैं सुने क्या इंटरनेशनल स्काल्प एक्यूपंक्चर न्यूरो एक्यूपंक्चर सर बाहर गाँव से सीख के आए हैं, वो हमें इंडिया में सिखाने आए हैं। ये हमारे लिए बहुत ग्रेट बात है। और दूसरी चीज़, मैंने खुद के आँखों से देखा कि लोग ऐसे चलते नहीं थे, साइटिका का प्रॉब्लम था, चल भी नहीं सकते थे, और विदिन 15 मिनट्स 30 मिनट्स ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट वो चलने लगे, दौड़ने लगे। उनके चेहरे की खुशी देख के बहुत खुश हो गए। तो थैंक यू गैब्रियल सर, थैंक यू वंस अगेन ऑल टीम।
भाई योगेश्वर हूँ, रायपुर छत्तीसगढ़ से थे। उनको बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट मिला, फर्स्ट सेशन में ही उनको बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट मिला। और गैब्रियल सर के बारे में ये कहना चाहूँगा कि सर एक जादूगर हैं जो पेशेंट को तो ठीक करते ही हैं, साथ में उनके परिवार में भी एक खुशियों की लहर ला देते हैं। और मैंने देखा कि उनके जो पेशेंट के रिलेटिव थे, उनके आंखों में खुशी के आंसू मैंने देखे। और सर मैंने ये एक्सपीरियंस किया इस वर्कशॉप में कि मैं एक इंटरनेशनल लेवल का वर्कशॉप अटेंड कर रहा हूँ, ये मुझे फीलिंग्स आई है।
Srodhe from Nasik. Let me know everybody that this course is not available in India, and Gabriel sir learned from foreign and they have taught in minimum expenses. Paralysis, Parkinsonism, stroke, even in sciatica and all other diseases also. And what we see in our patients, sir have treated magically. Within one session, the patient who were on bedridden, they sit, they rock, they run. Even though the one patient we have seen, which was not able to speak, he sang a song. And one patient was even not able to move his feet. He danced in front of us. That is the magic of Zeus Scalp acupuncture. And what we are going to learn from this magician, that we can do such magic from this Zeus Scalp education.
I am Dr. Manjari Pathak from Pune. In my practice, I have seen that usually the neurological patients with stroke, Parkinson's, they take a lot of time to heal, to get cured. But in this workshop, I have found that and I have seen that after one session also, after one session of treatment also, they are getting the miraculous results. The results were really astonishing and unbelievable. And in this course, Gabriel sir has taught us the theoretical part also and the practical part also. He have shown the different patients also. He has given hands-on training, practical training also. So I am very happy.
I'm Dr. Sangeeta Bajaj. I'm practicing acupuncture already, but I came to know about Zoo Scalp Neuroacupuncture. This was my dream, like many years I was seeing, but due to some reasons I was not able to attend because this course was not available in India. So when I saw this Gabriel sir's ad in Facebook, I was very happy, and thank you Gabriel sir. Makes easy to learn techniques which are really not available in India yet. And we saw here the 3 days workshop was really amazing. We saw so many results, hands-on practice, and in a single sitting the patient's outcome was much better, and especially a case of Parkinson which was very worst. Since 12 to 13 years he was suffering from Parkinson's, but after a single session the patient was much better with.
हेलो मेरा नाम नीलेश रड़े। मेरे पास बहुत वेपन्स है पेशेंट को ठीक करने के लिए, लेकिन मेरे पास अभी गैब्रियल सर ने जो नया ब्रह्मास्त्र दिया है, मुझे मालूम है मैं अभी स्ट्रोक पेशेंट, पार्किंसन पेशेंट्स को ठीक कर सकता हूँ। इतना कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया क्योंकि सर ने जो कोर्स अटेंड कराया हमसे वो पूरा प्रैक्टिकल था, और जब सर ने कुछ छुपाया नहीं, जो है सब देने का कोशिश की है। और इसमें हम लोग ने आई विटनेस किया है कि हर एक पेशेंट को रिज़ल्ट मिला है। ऐसा एक भी पेशेंट नहीं कि जिसको रिज़ल्ट नहीं मिला। पेशेंट जो 13 साल से बैठा था, मूवमेंट नहीं कर पा रहा था, वो डांस कर रहा है खड़ा होके, जो बात नहीं कर रहा था तो बात कर रहा है, जो निकल नहीं पा रहा तो निकल रहा है। ऐसे मिरेकलस रिजल्ट सर ने आज हमको दिखाए, ये 3 दिन में दिखाए, तो हम भी करेंगे वो अभी सर के आशीर्वाद से।
डॉक्टर प्रदीप देशमुख, गैब्रियल सर का नाम तो पहले सुना था मैंने, लेकिन मिरेकल क्या होता है वो देखने के लिए मैं फिर से आ गया। व्हील चेयर से लेके चलने का, और चलने से लेके दौड़ने तक, दौड़ने से लेके डांस करने तक, सब तरीके के पेशेंट मैंने देखे हैं। जो सोए थे खड़े हो गए, चलने थे भाग रहे हैं। कसम से मैं बोलता हूँ कि इतना मिरेकल मैंने ज़िंदगी में कहीं देखा नहीं, न कोई देख पाएगा। आज सर हमारे लिए फॉरेन से सीख कर आए और हमें वो सिखाने के लिए अपनी जी जान लगा रहे हैं। तो आपके मन में एक ही विचार होना चाहिए, व्हेन ही कैन व्हाई नॉट मी, तो आप सक्सेस कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद सर।